This is Game Mike with another Pokemon card opening video. Today I want to be opening up this new Pikachu and eevee-gx collection. So with that said, let's get to the video. Also, I will be opening up a team up elite trainer box soon, so look out for that. So and I was supposed to do another Shining Legend one, but I ended up losing the video, so I hope y'all like this. It's everything that comes with it, as you can see. There we go. Let's open this up. Everything's falling out. Let me take everything out of it so I can show y'all the promotion cards and what comes with it. Alright. Okay, so as y'all can see, it comes with a jumbo size Pikachu. Hold on one moment, let me fix this. See, a jumbo size Pikachu, that's what it comes with. GX. And then it comes with the 4 promo cards. These are what it comes with. It comes with a Pikachu one, an Eevee promo card, a eevee-gx, and a pikachu-gx. It comes with Unified Minds, Steam Siege XY, and 2 Cosmic Eclipse. So with that said, we can go with this set. Let's see how we do. Let's see if we pull anything good. So I'm trying to complete the set of Cosmic Eclipse and Unified Minds. Also, so I'm starting a new set. That's going to be a tag team. So let's see how that goes. Here's our card. Also, here's another promo card for the box. I think it's 4 cards, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, it's not. But I guess a GEX to start the video. Wow, to start the video, I got an EX. Look at that. Already. EX. Got a Clang, Special Charge, Monferno, Sneasel, Marill, Yanama, and then I got a Reverse Hollow. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. Let's put this over here because it's part of the GX side. So even though they're promo cards, but let's see. That's it for that one. So let's go with the Unified Mind. See if we get anything special. This one is going to be with the 4. Let's see. No, they're gonna get nothing good this time, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got Electric Energy, Dark City. You got that one. Got Missy's Favor. Dupiter. dragon type right there. Sorry about that, y'all. Fairy type. Sorry about this, y'all. I might not be talking that much on this video. I'm just a little tired today, so please bear with me. Another grass type. Sweeto. We got a reverse hollow blue tastic. Not too bad, not too bad. And a rare drift blim. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Let's start this off. Alright. That said, let's go with Cosmic Eclipse. I've been getting that pretty good pulls, but let's see what we get. Here's the card. One, two, three, four. We got electric type. Pull it up. There you go. Psychic. Clay. Cricketune. Another Rollit. Phantom. Magnemite. Little pup. We got Tapinch. Reverse hollow Jolteon. Ooh, nice, nice. And a hollow monk. Okay. Ain't mad at the pulls. So far, so good. We got us one GX, which I'm proud of, I can say. Okay, let's start with this next pack. See what we get. Promo code 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, fire. You got Erica, Verbava. No, not say that. Great catcher. The monkey. We got another dragon type, grass type, psychic. Got a Pikachu. Reverse hollow Sneasel. Don't have that one either. And a Grandpa, my bad. Grandpa to Grandpa. Rare. I don't have that one either. Not bad of pulls, I could say. That was all we had, but I would do a recap and show you what we got in this video. Let's see what we got. Okay. Of course, like and subscribe to this video if y'all like the video. Also, leave a thumbs up and tell me which one is your favorite Pokemon out of this video. Also, remember y'all, I do this for fun, and whatever y'all suggest, just let me know, like to make these videos better or anything like that. Just let me know what I should do to make the videos better. But with that said, we got a Eevee promotion card, another Pikachu promotion card, reverse hollow Sneasel, a reverse hollow Jolteon, reverse hollow Croagunk, reverse hollow of Blues Tactics, and then we got an EX from Steege. That's not a bad card at all. Also a GX promo card, Pikachu, and then another GX. This is gonna be Eevee. This one's got the texture on it, but this one doesn't. But yeah. But this is Gamer Mike signing out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the team up Elite Trainer box. So with that said, Hope y'all had a blessed day and hope y'all liked the video. This is Gamer Mike signing out. Goodbye.